How's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification on Roblox. Log into your Roblox website and log into your account. Click the settings gear or icon at the top right and click the settings. And then select the security by clicking the settings or account info right here tab. You're going to be able to see multiple options. Go to the security, right? You're going to be able to see it right in front of you, the two-step verification. You can use authenticator app, email, and hardware security keys. All right, basically you can enable two-step verification using either the Roblox authentication, as we said, or using email for verification, or the hardware security key. All right, and afterwards, if you chose authenticator app, follow the on-screen instructions to link your account. If you're using email, follow the instructions to receive a verification code. After setting up, just make sure to save your changes, and once enabled, you will need to enter a verification code each time you log in from an unrecognized device. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. So let's move on the comments with this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.